Hi, I'm Michael in Cultra Music, and we're going to look at this black 3/4 size acoustic guitar available in the shop here. And you can see it's got this gloss finish to it, which is very nice. And it's suitable for 6 to 12-year-olds. So I have it set up with these light gauge strings here as well, which makes it nice and easy for the youngsters to press down on the frets. It's available in this natural wood color here as well, as you can see. And here's how it sounds. Now, when you buy the guitar, it comes with a strap and a bag, which you can see here. And you can get all of that bundled together for $89.99 in the online shop.